Hi, why don't you come on over. Today I'd like to go over with you why DWI is a different type of crime than most other crimes and why that makes it more complicated or difficult to defend. Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney located in Ithaca, New York. My practice focuses on two primary areas, DWI defense and personal injury cases. You know, people sometimes ask me, well, you only do DWI defense, so you really can't handle other cases. But the DWIs are probably, if not the most difficult type of cases, some of the most difficult types of cases. And I'm going to give you the 4 reasons why. Number 1 is, most times with any crime, the government's looking for a victim. With a DWI case, the victim that's marked down in all the police paperwork generally is society. Because most times there's not an accident, most times there's not property damage or people damage, and there's only potential harm. So you're being punished for the potential harm that you could do or could have done. Second reason why DWI cases are sometimes more complicated is we're dealing with professional witnesses. The police are witnesses. In a regular case, whether a shoplifting case or even a murder case, a robbery case, we're dealing usually with lay people. We're not dealing with police officers as witnesses. These people are professionals. They're used to testifying in court. They come in with their badge, their uniform, and their gun, and they sit on the stand and they testify. And their weight of their testimony by the public is usually given more credibility just based on that. So that's the second reason. The third reason that DWI cases could be more difficult is we're dealing with forensic evidence. We're dealing sometimes with blood or breath evidence based upon a machine number. We're going to have a BAC number, a blood alcohol concentration that comes out of a machine. And people in our society tend to give a lot of weight to these machines and say, oh, if the machine says that that's what the number was, then we have to deal with forensic evidence. Shoplifting case, even a murder case, sometimes we don't have anything. People are always looking for DNA evidence. Well, the DNA evidence with these types of cases is the blood or breath evidence. And the last reason why DWI cases can be more difficult cases is because they have a political bent. We're dealing with a crime where we're dealing with drugs. We're dealing with alcohol, and it's a drug. But even more than that, we're dealing with behavior, and we're dealing with behavior that could either be non-criminal or criminal in the same instance because we're dealing with a degree of behavior. There's no law against drinking and then driving a car. There is a law or laws against drinking too much or drugging too much and then getting behind the wheel of a car impaired or intoxicated. And those are crimes based upon a matter of degree of behavior. So, we might have a level of blood alcohol or a level based upon a test or based upon an opinion of somebody, whether somebody was impaired or not impaired or intoxicated or not intoxicated. And that's what makes it different than whether they robbed something or they didn't rob something, they took something, they didn't take something, they killed somebody or they didn't kill somebody. It's kind of more black and white. DWIs, as I like to say, come in a lot of shades of gray. If you have questions with your DWI case, these are some of the types of cases that I handle. Either give me a call or shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to help you. And thanks for watching this video.